When you file a lawsuit, the first thing a defense attorney will do is send you interrogatories. Interrogatories are written questions that are designed to ask you about every single aspect of your life. You're not going to want to see these. You're not going to want to answer them. You're busy in your life. You don't want to take the time to do this. And you're going to think that these interrogatories are a major invasion of your privacy. And you're probably going to call your lawyer and say, why am I being asked to answer these? The answer to that question is, you're being asked to answer them because you have to. Once you participate in the process, the other side is entitled to poke and prod into your life, and that's exactly what they're going to do. So you're going to have to sit down, and you're going to have to take some time, and you're going to have to answer these. Some of the information contained in these interrogatories is information that only your attorney can provide, such as legal theories. Sometimes your attorney already knows much of the information about your medical history and medical records, but some of this information only you know. You're going to be asked about your marital status, whether you've ever been married, and if so, whether you've ever been divorced, your educational background, your military background, whether you've ever had any criminal history, arrests or convictions, what is your employment history, where have you worked for the last 10 years, where have you lived for the last 10 years. This gives them lots of opportunities to poke and prod into your background, but the short answer is, yes, it's a pain in the neck, yes, it's invasive, yes, I understand why you don't want to do it, but you do have to do it. Get to the point, don't belabor the point, answer the questions fairly, and if you have a good attorney, you can always come to that attorney's office and do what's called an interrogatory review. In our office, we have ROG reviews all the time. You come in, you sit down with me or one of my paralegals, and we'll go through these questions one by one, and we will help you answer them. Some people want to say too little, they don't want to be bothered. Some people want to be encyclopedic and say too much. You want to strike a balance between giving enough information but not overdoing it. And so a good attorney will help you strike that balance.